They're great. So great.
Hey there, my name is Ed Howie, and this is Howie Grow a Brand.
1, 2, 3.
If you like what you learned from this video, help us promote this channel by clicking the like button below and subscribing to our channel. Ready to go? Let's get into today's chat.
Let's talk about cereal. I mean, why not? I mean, think about it. I assume most of us have pretty fond memories of cereal.
What's this stuff? Some cereal. It's supposed to be good for you. Did you try it? I'm not gonna try it. You try it. I'm not gonna try it. Let's get Mikey. Yeah. He won't eat it. He hates everything. He likes it. Hey, Mikey.
Now, I'm 54 years old, so the cereal of relevance in my life may be different than the cereal of relevance in your life. But let's think about cereal just a little bit. Cereal, that first thing that really started off your day as a kid. Now, I know nutritionists are really not happy with this conversation, but you know what? Sorry.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
Favorite cereal. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for me, it's a toss-up. Rice Krispies, only because of Snap Crackle Pop.
Snap! It's the snappiest sound to do. Crackle gets you cracking because it's crispy through and through. But there's no stopping once Pop starts popping. Snap! Crackle Pop, talking just to you.
That's some sound system.
Okay, it was purely the experience of you pour that milk over and they made that noise. But honestly, after you take 3 or 4 spoonfuls, they're kind of soggy and kind of not making the noise anymore, and you kind of lose your charm. All-time favorite cereal remains today in my 54-year-old body, Peanut Butter Captain Crunch.
I think he'd like some peanuts. I think I'd like some peanut butter crunch. Captain Crunch!
When do you try this peanut butter crunch? It's even better tasting. Crunch time!
Oh, I'm free.
He crunchitized a whole elephant.
The taste is big enough to do that!
Ah, it's so peanut buttery.
Well, it is the peanut buttery part of this good breakfast, so pack your trunk and take some with you.
Crunchitize me, Captain.
I mean, seriously, that Captain Crunch, the red box, so sweet. The orange box, I think is on a pirate ship. The peanut butter jar on the label. Oh my gosh, phenomenal still. We do a family vacation with my family, my North Carolina family, every year, and it is amazing. Whoever goes to the grocery store always gets 1 box of peanut butter Captain Crunch, and me and my son Parker, we pretty much finish that box off in the first 3 days. And now let me tell you, I don't eat cereal today, sadly. I've matured in my nutritional management, but there are so many lessons of life we can learn from boxes of cereal. It's said that life is like a box of chocolates. Well, that may be true, but branding is like a box of cereal.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Now, some of you know I was with HEB for 3 years, which in the speed and the velocity with which HEB moves, I feel like I got about 15 years experience in 3 years there. Truly love the experience. I was not center aisle. I was the perimeter of the store. We call it fresh, which always confused me because it's what is this, cereal not fresh? But anyway, that's a whole nother episode. So cereal. So if you've ever been in an HEB, HEB is, I would suggest, the premier grocery retailer, let alone retailer in the nation. And HEB is known for the tremendous amount of product they can get through every single store. And that is well evidenced in the cereal aisle, because when you turn down the cereal aisle, you're walking down this long aisle of 70, 100, 140, heck, probably even 180 linear feet of cereal. Now, why in the world does the world need 180 linear feet of cereal? It makes no sense whatsoever. I think it'd actually be 184 with my math. But anyway, a lot of cereal. Why? Because you might like Peanut Butter Captain Crunch, but you might like Lucky Charms. And for some reason, just like all these cars that we need, an automobile gets you a place and a cereal gives you a bowl of breakfast, basically. But we all have our own preferences. So when you're thinking about a box of cereal and the cereal aisle, you can learn so many lessons about how to properly and effectively position your business, your brand, and I would even say yourself. Lessons learned from the cereal aisle. First and foremost, if you walk down the aisle of cereal and you have no recognized need for cereal, does that customer see you? If you're offering a service to which I, as a customer, have not recognized my need, i.e., I haven't recognized that I may have arthritis starting to develop in my knee, therefore I may need to think about doing something like cycling or working out better to prevent the pain of arthritis. As an example, if I haven't connected the dots, if I'm walking down the aisle where you're saying, hey, I'm here, do I even see you? So to best communicate to potential customers, you have to be really clear about what is the reward. You've heard me say this before, sell the reward, not the product. But what is the reward for them even giving you consideration? All right? So think about it. Walking down that aisle of cereal boxes, you've got Life cereal, and Life does for you this, and I think it talks about calcium and stuff and, all those claims, whatever. But, Life cereal was always seen as the cleaner cereal at our house. It was like, well, you can't have Peanut Butter Captain Crunch today, but you can have Life cereal. Now, I don't know if Life was truly nutritionally different, but the perception of Life cereal versus Peanut Butter Captain Crunch, I bet they both have similar amounts of sugar. Anyway, and Life cereal is really good. That would be top 5. But then perhaps you're more the Lucky Charms person, so you've got the fruit flavors and the mushrooms. You've got the fruit flavors and you've got the marshmallows. Those mushrooms would be a whole different kind of Lucky Charms. But anyway, you've got all that in a bowl, and that's a whole different experience than Life cereal or Peanut Butter Captain Crunch. So when people are thinking about, one, do I need cereal? If I don't have a need for cereal, am I even going to glance? Okay, so one of the ways you help people glance is to communicate the reward for what you're going to do for them. What is the reward? Okay, so we think of marketing as prospecting, that basically there are people out there that we want to sell to, but if they do not know they have a need for your cereal, why are they going to give your cereal a time of day? So there's definitely an opportunity to convert customers to creating need for you, it's not even demand, it's need, okay? But let me tell you, depending on where you are in the growth of your business and where you are in the development of your revenue or the development of your awareness, we typically look at marketing as 2 things, brand building and call to action. Brand building just gets the message out. Call to action is what really kind of drives the engagement, drives the connection, drives the building community, drives the sale, okay? So depending on where you are in the life cycle of your business, I will tell you that it is way more difficult to sell cereal to the person even walking down the cereal aisle that has no personal recognition that they need cereal in their life. That is a longer tail lead. And you can't ignore those, but it is much more effective, much more efficient, much more faster marketing to generate revenue when you are focusing primarily on those who already have recognized that they need cereal. So as you're looking at your business plan, as you're looking at your business development plan, I would encourage you to carefully discern how much energy you're putting on convicting or convincing or persuading people to believe they need you, and how much time you're investing in the people who already have recognized or demonstrate they have a need for what you offer. They just don't know you exist. Okay, so first, if they don't need you, they may not need you. Okay, I'll give you a secret. I've had B2I Creative for 18 years. We work directly with brands who need help telling their story and generating revenue. We empower brands to sell more. But let me tell you, the client we will not do business with is the client who does not believe in marketing. The client who has not verbalized to us they have a need for marketing. I'm not saying a need for us. I'm saying if they are hesitant about communicating they need us, why waste the energy on trying to convince them? Because there are plenty of people telling us they need us. Make sense? Needs matter. So here's the challenge to you today. Know that they need you. Know that they need you. And focus first on the ones that need you most. Not just the one that's wandering past you in 180 feet of your competitors, but the one that says, oh my gosh, I need cereal, or I need new cereal, or I'm sick of the cereal I've been choosing for the last 54 years. And I want to find a new cereal. Those are the customers you need to focus your attention on most. And then what you do is you focus on making sure that they know you are the best cereal for them. But more times than not, don't waste time on trying to convince them they need cereal. That's going to take a lot of talk and a lot of money. Convince them, those that want cereal, that need cereal, that you, my friend, are the best cereal for them.
Hey, I really hope this helps and inspires your day. If any of this works on your business this week, I'd love to hear about it in the comments, or hey, just message me. Can't wait to see what we chat about next time on How We Grow a Brand. We'll see you soon.